How to change your password in Workana. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set it up. First of all, go to this website name workana.com. So this interface will pop up. Now, here on the right top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon and here tap on your profile name. Here, there's a drop down of my account. Simply tap on my account. So basically, we in this settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options and can even customize it. Here on the second option, tap on password. So basically, this is the place where you can change the password. First, you must enter the current password and later you can add on your newer password. Later, you can easily save it and it will be changed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.